Alright, so right here I'm setting the machine up to get ready to add the fold over elastic to the top. And I'm starting the fold over elastic, and I'm showing you where to add the fold over elastic, so pay attention to what I'm showing you, okay? Sorry, my neighbor knocked on my door. So right here, I'm getting ready to make the fold over elastic for the top part of the top. So what you're going to do is make the string 18 inches on each side, or however long you want to make them. I usually eyeball all my stuff, so yeah. So now our top is complete. You'll fold that over and do a straight stitch on that. And now for the thong. Now for the thong, don't do what I did because I messed up on this part. But for the top, you're going to add the fold over elastic, and for the end of the thong, you're going to add the fold over elastic. Then you're going to add the fold over elastic to the sides where they're long enough to go through the channel of the top. You're not going to cut the ends on the end of the thong because you're going to need to connect the top part of the fold over elastic to it to complete the thong. The other way you can do it is tie the fold over elastic by making a channel on the end of the thong. Instead of adding fold over elastic to the end, you can just fold it over and feed the fold over elastic through it and tie it on the side. That's 2 ways you can do this outfit. If you're right-handed, you'll do the thong upside down to add the fold over elastic to the other side. I don't know how left-handers do it, but this is how right-handers do it. This is where I realized I made the fold over elastic string a little too long, but it's better to make it too long than too short. That way you can just cut the extra off. But at least if you do make it too long, you'll know how much you need to feed through the channel of the top so that you can add it to the end of the thong. Alright, right here, don't be like me where I forgot to add my fold over elastic to the end first. So you add it to the end, then you do the sides. And don't cut the extra fold over elastic off because remember I said you got to attach it. That's why I said no. I hope this tutorial was somewhat helpful to you guys by me showing you how to start it off. If it was, please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.